Good morning, Fox Pack. Welcome back to the Fox Den and welcome to another Assetry. So my surroundings might look a little different today. That's because we have a very exciting announcement for the channel. Now I know it's been a while. We haven't been doing videos. I've just been super busy. Been just a lot going on. But I do want to get back into it. And we're not just going to be filming the Mustang now. I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of done with the Mustang as of now. It's perfect. I do want to get a drag pack, but that's to be discussed at a later date. But this will be a quick little update video and a little announcement video because we have something very special to show you guys today. And I think this is going to be a very awesome addition to the channel, not only for just more content, but just because of how fun it's going to be. But you guys, we have a new addition to Grabber Fox Off-Road. This is my neighbor, Jeremy, and the camera won't expose correctly.
What's up, y'all?
This is his garage. I told him it's gonna take some getting used to being on camera, but yeah, just go easy, guys.
Take it easy on
So yeah, but this is his garage, dude. I think I mentioned it. Actually, no, you've been in a video before when we did the Corsa exhaust.
Yeah, I think I was filming it.
Yeah, you were. Yeah, you were filming.
Camera guy, yeah.
But you guys never actually saw his car. It's a 93 Fox body Mustang, dude. It's fully built, it's cammed, it's got header dumps. It is freaking insane, dude. It sounds insane. We're gonna do a video on that. There's a little shot of the interior. Dude, it's awesome. But yeah, what we're gonna be doing are gonna get more into the off-road stuff, which has always been the main goal with this channel, but for some reason I just never really filmed it. A lot of that stuff ended up on TikTok for whatever reason, but it's gonna be coming here now. And we're gonna be more focused on stuff like this here. So this is Jeremy's current project. What model is this?
It's Fox Doodlebug.
Fox Doodlebug mini bike. It's
old. It's from like the 60s, I think early 60s.
It's really vintage. He showed me this thing the other day, and I came over just to kind of try to help him figure out what parts we're gonna need. And I seen this brake. I'm like, well, I've never seen that before. This is gonna be tough.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun to figure this one out for
sure. So this is actually a Predator 212. It's stock that I gave to him. Nothing done to it. We do have to remove the governor, but first we gotta find these parts.
Yeah, that's gonna be the interesting part. Yeah. Searching for all these parts and hunting them down. Even if we have to rig something up, we'll get it to work, so.
Yeah, and that's what I usually do, is rig it up, as many of you know. So this is his dirt bike. This thing is super sick. Yamaha, as per usual. Yeah. He made the right choice with that.
Of course. Yeah, it's a 2008 WR 250R. I just put big gun exhaust on it and the headers and some skid plates. Besides that, it's pretty much stock. So.
Yeah, you guys might have seen the picture I posted on Instagram. But this thing's sick. I don't know how he rides it. I really don't. I can't ride dirt bikes. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that. I just can't. I grew up on quads. When I get on a bike, I always dump it. I got weak ankles. I've sprained my ankles twice each. So
yeah, probably should stay on the four-wheelers.
Yeah. But I'm actually, he's gonna be buying my Yamaha Warrior 350. So we're gonna get him on his first quad. So that'll be really cool. We're gonna fix that up because it does need a little work.
This shams, you can take my sit. Baseline hit, some more 8-line this. Buy me a whip, then I take my pick. Then I find me a chick, I can make my itch. Ay, darkness in motion. It's a 16 bar from the dark of the ocean. Flow penetrates egos with the dark of the broken. Meanwhile, inhale smoking, won't let me get my roaching. Been promoting the green and the purest herb. MPs get vexed and they slur their words. On daytime telly, but they blur with her light work. I rep mine, got a sword for the dagger and the best wine. Young boy and I'm battling the best lines. And you know I give a fuck about set lines. Yes, and you best keep walking. Brush me again, but see much talking. Old lot of violence, swinging corpse and sold in a sirens. Bring 10 Walkmans, been squawking like, boy, don't test me. Now I mean it, boy, don't vex me. Man, power outs had too much pesky. Flex like Messi, then get kick off your jet ski. Chat about damage, stop. Always wanna chat about damage, shot. You lot are way too average. What to be walking my chat about savage plot. Drop. If you got a team, go get 'em. No hesitate, my G, just bell 'em. Rubber constrictor, way off the rig to you and your ribs get drenched in venom. Venom.
So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Just short video. It's a little update showing Jeremy's stuff. Like I said, he's gonna be on the channel now. We'll be doing dual vlogging. Super excited for this because we're really gonna start pumping out the content. We'll still do videos on the Mustang. It just will be less frequent. Like I said, the main goal of this channel was always supposed to be on stuff like this. So we do have the turbo go-kart that I'm gonna start working on as well. We're gonna be working on that. Very excited to figure out the wiring, because I just kind of ripped the wires out when I totaled the yellow one, and we're not gonna talk about how that happened, but man, it's been a while. I can't even remember my outro.
I remember yours doing that.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when we do something stupid. Follow our Instagram at GrabberFox Off-Road. You can follow my Mustang account at GrabberFox50. Follow our TikTok at GrabberFox Off-Road as well. Jeremy has an Instagram, but he doesn't really use it, so he said we won't worry about advertising it. But if I convince him to use it, then we'll advertise it. So
Make a new one.
yeah, we'll make a new one. Remember, life is short, stay stocked, and it's illegal if you get caught. Stay foxy.